Today, we are introducing iconic Breakout Pro 2EA V1.0 MT5, your solution to disciplined, repeatable profits in the NASDAQ market. With a proven strategy for breakout trading, this EA is designed for traders who want consistent results without the impulsive decisions. Once you download iconic Breakout Pro 2, simply open the installation guide. Copy the EA file into your MetaTrader 5 Experts folder, restart your platform, and drag the EA onto your chart. It's that easy. Let's take a closer look at how iconic Breakout Pro 2 performs. During backtesting on the NAS 100 using the M15 timeframe, the EA consistently placed trades at high momentum breakout points. Starting with a $1,000 deposit, it generated steady profits with minimal drawdown. The risk-to-reward ratio was optimized, and it handled volatile market conditions smoothly. Notice how it maintains a solid equity curve, even during market corrections, by sticking to its disciplined strategy. Here we see the EA actively trading in real time. It executes breakout trades based on the previous day's high and low levels, managing risk with stop-loss automation. The result? Consistent profits with minimal risk exposure. Join our Forex Premium Telegram group today for instant access to iconic Breakout Pro 2 EA. Get it now at a special price of $149 USD, original price $449 for a limited time. This offer also includes free trading signals and more VIP perks. Don't miss out. Act now.